to explain a car's features, but what about the fees that come with it? At some point, a customer will ask, "Can you take off the dealership add-ons?" This can catch people off guard, but with a little prep, it's a great chance to explain value without sounding defensive. Now, let AI help you practice how to respond. Open a chat and try this prompt. Act as a professional salesperson. A customer says, "Can you take off the dealership add-ons?" Help me respond in a way that acknowledges their concern, explains the value clearly, and keeps the conversation moving forward. In seconds, AI will suggest responses that sound confident, customer-focused, and informative, highlighting benefits like tire protection, surface coatings, or long-term value. Your turn. Use AI to generate your response. Pick the version that feels right to you.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars, with a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.